Hello, how you doing, man? Hamish. First and foremost, I want to say thank you so much for the people, who donated to the program because, as it's a lot of things, behind, deal with the, feeding homeless, with a little half. As I was one of those. I was one of the homeless people for almost 4 years. You know what I'm saying? So I started this program with the knowledge, a program giving back, and for most of the donation that I get from you guys, it's helping us to make this project going, and also go and give back to people who are in need, and also some helping this project going. You know what I'm saying? So you also can make it. It doesn't matter which background you come from. Either you come from very complex or concrete, or very tough, you can also make. I was one of those kids, going to school with no shoes. Thank you so much. As little as even $1, $2 on a monthly basis, it means a lot. Join Patreon page, follow me on all the social media again, and thanks a lot. Let's get started. So now, this is women's salad for year of 2015, 2017, as well as CPI is given, just like how we see. So we have a year and the CPIs, okay? Just like how we see 2015 in salary, which you can call it nominal sometime, and you have a CPI for all those years. Now they say consider the statement below. We start with this statement here. We want to see which is going to be true. The difference between nominal salary 2017 and 2017 is less than the difference between. So the problem is here. We have a nominal, which is this when you say year salary in rand or dollar or pounds or whichever rupee or Nigerian naira or Tanzania shillings means. These are nominal, you know what I'm saying? So these are nominal. So we don't have a real salary of this peso. You know what I'm saying? Because they say difference between the nominal salary of 2015 is less than the difference of her real salary. So we don't have a real salary, but we got nominal here. You know what I'm saying? So now I've drawn a table so we have to find the real salary of all these years. Why? Because if you look carefully here, they talk about nominal salary 2017 and 2015 is less than the difference between her real salary. So these 2017 and 15 we can minus. We can get the difference between the nominal. This means nominal. We can take this 17 minus 15. But we don't have the real salary, So if we have a year, if you have a nominal and you have a CPI, you can calculate it because this is like a wage. See what I'm saying? So we can use these two to calculate the real salary. So now I've got the formula for you, okay, that we use to calculate the real salary, real wages. So now we say if you want to get wage of anybody, the wage of anybody. So you take, if you want to get wage, you say salary over CPI times 100. You know what I'm saying? So now let's start with this year here. Which year? We're going to talk about 2015, 17 and 15. 17, 15, and we know 17 is bigger than 15. So now let's calculate their real wage. So that's a formula right there. So for this case now, I'm going to say now start with the 2017. So we say real wage of 2017 equal to salary of 2017 over CPI of 2017 times 100. So we say, okay, now let's get real wage. Okay, what is the salary of 2017? 2017 salary, this one, which is 1,718.50. 1,718.50. Okay, so now we're gonna say, okay, 1,718.50, and then over CPI 2017 is 99.7. 99.7. So we're gonna say 9.7. Then we multiply by 100. And this is going to give us, okay, so this is going to give us 172. If you plug in the calculator, this is going to give you 172,367.10. Let's write here. So a real wage of 2017 is going to be 172,367.10. Okay, so now I'm going to come here and fill in my table. Okay. So say, okay, so our nominal salary, which is this one, which is given of 2017, we got it already, which is this one. This is nominal, so we can apply here. So let's say here, year 2017, our year is 2017, and our nominal salary means that salary which is given 171, 185, and real salary is what we just got it now. What is the real salary? You say 172, 172, whatever you get there. So 172, 367.10. Okay, so now we're gonna do for 2015. We're gonna do the same approach. You know what I'm saying? So 2015, we got it. Okay, our nominal we have 159, which is the given 159, 80, 20. So to get the real salary, we're gonna use the same method of 2000 for 2015. So I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna say, okay, real salary bar for 2015 equal to excuse me, I was meant to say real wage, my apology. So we say real wage for 2015. Okay, real wage for 2015, real wage per 2015 equal to salary of 2015, salary of 2015 over CPI 2015, and then we multiply by 100. Okay, let's multiply by 100. Take a calculator. Okay, plug that in a calculator. You plug in the calculator, so you see, oh, now salary of 2015. Do you have salary 2015? Oh yes, we do have. Okay, 2015. You have a salary 182. Excuse me, 2015 a salary, we can get it. Oh yes, which is 159,820. 159,820 over CPI 2015. CPI 2015 equal to 100. Then we multiply by 100. These and this cancel, so it's going to be the same thing. So now we say, oh, so real wage for 2015, we got it, which is going to be the same thing. So in 2015, we can just fill up here, and they say, oh, so it's going to be 159, 159, my apology, and then 80, 20. So you're going to do the same thing. Now, before we go further, we got to find the difference. You know why? Because here they say we're going to have to find, okay, the difference between the nominal salary in 2017 and 15 and the difference between her real salary. So we have them both, so we can find the difference. You know what I'm saying? So let's find the difference, because we have real salary and nominal salary. So we're gonna have to say, okay, let's get the difference. Okay, so we can call this difference here, difference. Okay, so if you subtract this one, take 715 minus, we're gonna get 0 minus 0 equal to 0, and this is gonna be 3, and if you minus all of them, this is gonna give you 0, and this is gonna give you 2, and this is going to give you 1. And when you come, you subtract, it's going to give you 1, 2, 5, 1 to 5, 4, 7.10. Oh, so we already have the difference of the nominal salary and the real salary. But now we cannot determine, because they talk about the difference between the nominal salary of 2015 is less than the difference between the real salary of 2015. Okay, so for now, let's go. It seems like it's true, because the difference between the nominal salary is less compared to the real salary. But we have to look also, because it's not finished. So let's go for the second one, for B and C, because in the option here, there's a lot of options. You know, if you look careful, there's a lot of options. There's only C, only B, only A, only B, and C. So now let's go for the second one. I'm going to do the same game. So now I'm going to take 2019 and 2015. 2019 and 2015. So I'm gonna say here 2019. So 2019 and 2015 we have a date already. So now 2019 we have some information. Nominal we have 2019. What is a nominal? 182. Okay, added 2. Okay, 182. So 2019 182 added 2 0. In 2015 is given, we know already. 159 added 2 0. You know what I'm saying? So now, how are we gonna get the real salary? We know the formula for real salary. We're gonna come and do our real salary for 2019. Okay, let's go. So our real salary, we know. Or real wage, or real salary, aka real salary, the real wage. So our real wages shows me equal to salary, but this for 2019, guys. So salary of 2019 over CPI of 2019 multiplied by 100. Okay, salary of 2019, we got it. Okay, what is salary 2019? 182 820. Oh, so 182 820. So 182 820 over CPI of 2019. Our CPI in 2019, we have it already. What is that? 102.1. 102.1. So here is going to be 102.1, and they'll multiply by 100. If you plug this in the calculator, this is going to give you 179,059.75. Excuse me, sorry, my space not enough. So what I'm going to do, I'll just come and plug in. Got it, which equal to 179. So 179,059.75. This is 9, guys. Thank you. Okay, 2015 we had it already. 2015 is 159 820. So we're gonna have to find the difference for this also. Okay. Let's get the difference. So what is the difference here? Okay, so if you find the difference for this is going to be 20, minus going to be 0, 0, and this is going to be 0, 0, 0, 0, and this is going to give you okay, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, and then this is going to give 23. Okay, and this one, if you minus careful, it's going to give you 7, 5. Because this is going to be 0, 0. If you minus all this, is going to be 9, and then 3, 2, 1, 9. Okay, so I think you have all the information, you know, so we want to go to the option and pick and see which is correct. Okay? Okay, good. So if you come here to the multiple choice now, we want to come in the multiple choice and read the multiple choice and see which is correct. The 80 say the difference between the nominal salary 2017 and 15 is less than the real salary. Okay, now let's come here. 2017 and 15. Okay, 15 and 17, we see which is bigger. The nominal is less compared to the real salary. Nominal is less compared to real salary. So this is true here. For a second, well, the difference between the nominal salary 2017 and 15 is greater. No, it's not true, because this, look, the difference between the nominal is less, 120 and this 125, 100, 125, 30. This is less compared to, so B is not true, wrong. Okay, now let's go for C. For C, they say the difference between the nominal salary 2019 and 15 is less. Okay, let's see. It's not true because this is bigger compared to that. So if this is bigger compared to that, means this is that makes it invalid. So only A. So you know what I'm saying? Look, man, I believe in learning from how to do things. If it's make sure you subscribe, and you can just go and do donation to our Patreon page. I have a Patreon, I have a GoFundMe. You know what I'm saying? I have all the means of donation because to make this project going, any type of donation, the little that you think is too small for you, it could make a lot of change. And thanks a lot for all your time. Subscribe, don't forget, share this video, circulate to a lot of people, because the meaning of this project, this program, is to help as many as we can. Okay, it's not only for one person or two, because you might think it's not helpful for you, but for somebody next out there, it could be very, very helpful. So thanks a lot, man. And any donation that you did to me, it means so much. I appreciate it, man. It means a lot. Go to our Patreon page, go to our GoFundMe, because we need to have a lot of things. We need to put them together, like camera, and a lot of equipment, so that we can improve on a lot of angle, a lot of aspects of these projects. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate and I love you. Peace, man. Bye. This is one of my student of knowledge. She wanted to introduce herself. What's your name? Could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Kali. I go to Southend Primary School.
Yeah, Mtwana wa Bantu. Mtwana wa Bantu is everywhere, right? So this is my other student. His name, what's your name? Matthew, yeah, he's grade 11, man. So his aim is to score distinction, right? So you promise I want you to score distinction this time. And what's your name? Joshua. How much you promise me to score this time?
Distinction.
Distinction. Yeah, so Mtwana wa Bantu is everywhere, man.
Mtwana wa Bantu everywhere. Mtwana wa Bantu everywhere.
Everywhere.
Mtwana wa Bantu
Exactly.
everywhere.
Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Thanks so much. If you had to give advice, which advice would you give to the people or to the students?
Trust Hamish.
Why would they trust me?
No, because it's really good. They actually has helped a lot. I redid first year for maths. It was my own fault, but also I didn't know a lot of the work. And Hamish said lots of hard questions, and it's demotivating sometimes to do the harder stuff. You just want to get done, but it's the hard stuff that makes you realize the easy stuff is easy.
Ayapuma matoda yosingela.